Ndibo kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Indoji nilu nono wa kwezone?
Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? My name is ChukwunonsoCaptures. Ndibanye, and I'm Mikeloni. I'm ChukwunonsoCaptures, aka Mazi. Chakum, aka the photo cosmetic surgeon, and you're tuned into another episode of the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. So you already know why we do this. We do this to keep our tongues fluent, keep the language alive, and help our brothers and sisters in the diaspora continue to understand their roots. We're going to give them back the identity that was stolen from them, starting with their names. So shout out to Anya for sending in her request for today's Igbo Name of the Day gift. She looks familiar probably to a lot of you. That is because she is one of the models that I collaborate with, one of the collab for ad models. Always a great sport, very creative, always willing to be a muse and just do a lot of really interesting photo shoot concepts. So shout out to her. I'm gonna link her Instagram below in the description. Shout out to her. Thank you for sending in this Igbo Name of the Day gift request. So I asked Anya to describe herself for me. And one of the things that she said was that there aren't a lot of resources to help the Black youth, especially when it comes to areas of mental health. So mental health is very important to her because she wants to be there to serve her community so that the Black youth have someone to talk to when they're going through any type of difficult times or issues or anything that might be challenging them. So I was thinking about the perfect name to give her, and I was thinking, okay, mental health, the mind, thinking, things like that, and I came up with the perfect name, Chinelo. Come on, say it with me, Chinelo. Good. So Chi can mean a few different things. Chi can mean guardian angel or your destiny. It could also mean God. So, or kind of your personal relationship with God. So in this context, it means that, God. And ne means I guess what's a good translation for ne? It's is or is doing or something like that. And lo means thinking, right? To your thoughts, right? So chinelo together means something to the tune of God thinks for me, or God thinks of me, or I'm in God's thoughts, right? So chinelo, God thinks for me, God thinks about me, I'm in God's thoughts. So I thought that was a perfect name for her. Chinelo's names give them the power to be insightful empaths, self-aware, and nurturing. Let me know what you think. Did I get the translation correct? Is that a fitting name for her? Let me know in the comment section below. I'm looking forward to hearing what you guys have to say. Like this video and leave me a comment below in the comment section about any thoughts that you have. Get it? Share this video with all the chinelos that you know, and also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so that you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Hit my Instagram in the description below if you would like your very own Igbo name. And if you already have an Igbo name, if you're Igbo, let me know and I will feature your name in another video. So thanks, take care, hope you guys have a great one, and I will see you in the next video.